How to get and use the Bear Detector in Stalker 2. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. To acquire the detector, you'll need to complete the early quest line involving specific NPC or task if known, or purchase it from a trader. Once equipped, the detector activates when you are near anomalies or artifacts emitting an audible signals that grow stronger as you get closer. Pay attention to its frequency and tone to pinpoint the location of hidden treasures, but trade carefully to avoid dead anomalies. Make sure to upgrade it when possible for better detection range and accuracy. With the Bear Detector, you can turn the danger of the zone into opportunity for profit and survival. And that's how you get and use the Bear Detector in Stalker 2. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I'm Sophia signing off. Until next time.